Hello everyone, here's the final locomotive I picked up today for $10 at the local hobby store. This was in the trash box. They were literally going to take this box of locomotives and other things out to the dumpster. This was sitting right on top. And I said to them, hold on here, wait a minute, what are you doing? This is brand new in the box. Now they said it doesn't run and blah, blah, blah. And, well, I think I said before, these guys aren't really into HO trains. So they're probably a little bit off. But I'm going to pull it out here. And there's actually the old paperwork. It's so old, it's yellow. It's still all here. But you can see the locomotive is in very nice shape. And I'll let you see the bottom of the axles on the tender. That's never been run. The locomotive is just as clean underneath. You can see there's nothing. Unfortunately, it's got a split gear on the driving axle here that has the traction tires on it. So I know I could find some parts for this somewhere and get it running again, and then maybe pass it on to someone else because I'm into it for $10. And it's a pretty popular locomotive. I think somebody else might enjoy it. That's about it.